Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the next assignment in Harvard's free online class, the CS50 games development. This assignment is a remake of Flappy Birds, or because of copyright issues, renamed as 50 Birds. This assignment has four main objectives, which are to randomize the gap size between the upper and lower pipes, to randomize the time taken to spawn a new pair pipe, to create a pause feature with a pause icon, sounds, and text, and to grant medals to players who reached the appropriate scores. Without any delay, let's take a look at how we randomize the gap size. Head into pipepair.lua and on line 29, enter math.random function for the gap height and put an arbitrary number. This will in turn generate random pipe gaps in the game. Next, head into playstate.lua. Before the initialize function, key in a local random timer with a math.random function that multiplies with an arbitrary number to help us generate a random timer. On line 40, if self.timer, which is 0, is more than random timer, then this will generate new pipe pairs randomly. For the pause feature, encapsulate the original coding that we have inside the update function in an if statement. And then add another if statement which consists of the pausing feature chunk. Essentially, what we are telling the program to do is if the pair pipe are scrolling, then do all these codings. If P is pressed on the keyboard, then pause the game. Scrolling would be false, so the pipe pair will stop scrolling. Making the background and ground speed 0 would also make the background and ground stop scrolling as well. Don't forget to remove local from main.lua so that the background and ground scroll can be accessed by playstate. And initialize the sounds for pause feature inside the main as well. In this line, we are basically telling the program to pause the looping music and play the pause sound effect instead. And basically in the resuming chunk, we convert the settings back to the way it was before if P was pressed again. In line 135, I've sourced a pause icon. And under the render function, I put the things I want to display in the pause menu. Now, we'll grant players with medals. In the score state, source all the medal images in the enter function. I have here the gold, silver, and bronze medal. In the render function is where we would code in our medals to be displayed and awarded. Key in a local receive medal and medal type with nil. And create if statements with all the medals inside it, such that if a player score is more than or equals to 30, then award them with gold medal. Silver medal if it's more or equals to 10, bronze if it's more or equals to 5. The scores can be any to your liking. On line 62, we are telling the program that if receive medal is equal to nil, which it is, then print this message and refer to medal type that satisfies the requirement and draw that medal at this coordinate. And with that, we have achieved all the objectives needed. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.